So fancy, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your BYBIT Exchange direct to your bank account. Now when you receive any airdrop or any fund at all in your BYBIT, your balance will be displayed up here, majorly in USDT. To receive the money in your bank account, you click on assets down here so that you select option to convert this money to your funding account, because the moment you receive airdrop or any such, the balance you have here will be in your sports account. Okay, so the next thing you want to do right here is to select option for transfer. Okay, so when you select transfer right in this page, you can see up here you have funding account to unified trading account, like this place. Yeah, sorry, this could be tiny, manage it now. So what we want to do now is the reverse of what you're seeing here, because the money is currently in unified trading account. So you just toggle on this place that you have two arrow together, you see. So right now you're funding from unified trading account to the funding account. Now also where you see option for coin, you just go ahead, you see there's BTC right there. You just go ahead and type the coin you want to convert, which is dogs in this case. So whichever it is, just use the same procedure. So right now you now have dogs here. So the next thing you want to do is to type the quantity, the amount you want. But if you want to transfer everything, you just go ahead and click on mask right here beside where your dogs is, so that everything you have will be converted. Now you click on confirm below. Sorry, this video is a bit noisy. Okay, you have to manage it. Now you see it's successfully transferred. So here is now the next option. Now it is in the right wallet. You can see, just make sure that whatever you're moving is in the funding, whether you find it in this unified trading or this option, just make sure it is in the first option, which is funding. So because it's only from here that you can now be able to send to your local bank account. Now you are in assets, you have to go to home again. So the moment you click on the home page below, you come back to this page. So the next thing you want to do right now is to click on this option above. You see deposit, just go ahead and click on it and it brings you here. Then you go ahead and click on P2P trading. Okay, yeah, now you see this fiat P2P loading, and this is actually where you make the sales. And right here, before you even sell, there are things you need to pay attention to. You see it is currently in buy, but you want to sell, so just make sure you select the option for sell. Now this is getting serious right here, so you just have to make sure you are in BTC, USDT rather, because you can see there are four options here: BTC, USDC and USDT. The first option, USDT, you make sure it's active. Okay, yes. And now the next most important thing we have to do is to get what is suitable for this sale we are about to make right now. So you simply go ahead and select on the amount. Make sure it is your country is what is displaying here. So I'm in Nigeria, so NGN is displayed here. So under the amount, you type the amount that you have, you type it in your currency which displayed there. Okay, so I'm just going to type 23,000 since it is $14 plus that I have there. So after typing the amount, you click on confirm. Yeah, anytime BYBIT is dancing, just know that it is processing. So the next thing you want to do here, which is also very important, is to impute your funding type all payment methods. Yeah, so under all payment method, you select the method with which you can receive payments. Simply go ahead and click on bank transfer. Now you select bank transfer and select confirm. Just these two options right here. You see, when you select it, it will be ticked. Okay, yeah, so it processes again. Now the next important thing you do here is to filter this. You see up here where there is this small triangle, you just click on it and you see option for the first thing, say show only eligible advertisers. So you just go ahead and check the box, and the next one is say show only eligible ads and show only verified advertisers. Now you go ahead and check this box again. This simply means that let the people that their conditions suit what you currently have, let them be shown to you. Okay, so when you click it, you just go ahead and click on confirm. It will process again. So the people that qualify for what you have and their conditions suit yours will be displayed here. Now, wow, this guy is one key person. Oh. So you can imagine the rates here are really low, but anyone you choose, you just select on sale. Let's just see if there's anyone that has higher rates. So you see the price of this one, the first one is 1,433 naira, but when you want to buy, you buy for almost 2k. This is actually huge. Okay, so right here you just now, and the person also showed the percentage, like this person have been selling continuously. So things you want to check out for is to make sure the person you're selecting is online at the moment, and the person's order percentage as shown in the arrow you just saw is at least 90 something percent. These rates are really low, but let me just choose one because they are not much here. Man, I'll be joining this place soon. Okay, so let's choose this one, 1,433 naira. I'm just going to show you how to do it. I won't sell, really. Now when you select, you just go ahead and click on sell. This means you have made up your mind to sell if it's good for you. Now you see this page will open, and right here you just go ahead and input the amount you want and make sure it is in USDT. So you put the amount, the payment method, and you click on sell. Now you see up here this person also added how long it will take. Like this person said it will take between a minute to 30 minutes. So I think this is good enough. This means that by the end of this time you will receive the money in the payment method which you imputed below. So it's just very simple.